by running the pipeline. And I'm going to call this reset feature so that I can reset the current state of my saved data to ensure that I have a clean run. I'm going to enter stream mode, which is pulling data from my two sources, Hacker News and Reddit. And when a match is found, after running through the pipeline, it will display the output on the terminal right here. And it shows the name of the job or post and then the short description. And this runs through only the most recent content up to 2 months. And I did this so that it's realistic and I don't find any results that are from over a year ago. And as this runs, you can see that I have in my stages folder under pipeline, I have the base.py. This is just the base class for the pipeline to create new components for it to use. Filters.py will filter out metadata to check if it's a job type, a comment, a story, or a Reddit post. As you can see, it's just a simple filter to eliminate some noise. And then a scoring heuristic feature or filter will check against keywords like hiring keywords, technical keywords, and discussion keywords. Anything that is related or contains discussion keywords will be dropped immediately because we don't want that, and this is pretty common within Reddit posts where students may discuss interview results, assessments, things like that. Has tech and has hiring intent checks if the post has anything related to those keywords, and if the data type is a job or a Reddit post, then it'll return either or one of these as long as one of these are true. Otherwise, regardless of what data type you are, as long as your tech or has hiring intent is true, meaning you do contain those keywords, then you'll pass into the next stage of the pipeline, which runs into the llm.py. And as you can see, I've hit the limit for the 2-month history, and now the program or the polling pipeline will sleep for 5 minutes. This allows time for the sources to update if there are any new changes, which is very unlikely, and also prevents data from pulling. As you can see, these are the things that I pulled earlier, running the pipeline. Now I'm going to run the evaluation harness. It takes the gold set, which is a list of jobs and descriptions that are similar to alt levels. So you have internships, you have senior levels, or jobs that require multiple years of experience, and I label true only if they are new grad, entry level, or internships. And then semantics.py takes a TF-IDF and from the scikit-learn package and vectorizes my input, and then as long as the similarity score passes the threshold of 0.2, which is less than my LLM threshold, then it'll be considered a similar post with semantic meaning that is around 20% or more similarity. And you can see that my final metrics have been finished. There is a position of 0.91, recall of 0.66, and an F1 score of 0.76. The drop breakdown is just explaining how many items were dropped in each stage of the pipeline. And this is used against the testing data set.